What's up, you guys? It's Rob here. Today we're going to be going over ticker symbol GME on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame in anticipation for tomorrow's trading day, Wednesday, April 7th. Couldn't remember what day it was here. But really, overall for GameStop, we finished down about 1.5%. We were up in the after hours. But the huge thing was we had a really bad day yesterday where we got the offering and that was made public news and all that kind of stuff. So we sold off pretty much all the way down in the 150s, and then we had a really nice rally all the way up to about 190. So I think, no, actually it was like 195 and we went positive in the day, which was actually really good. So for today, I was really just hoping that we could hold our ground and stand our ground, and I think we pretty much did that within the day. So let's go ahead and hop on over here to Webull. And just take a look at the 1 day, 1 minute chart. So we definitely did have a pretty volatile day here, just looking at the MACD and then how it responded to this really large swing, which is, I mean, good, because yesterday we did have a lot of people who were just buying up the stock, and we literally bought it all the way up to 195. Then we got rejected off of 195. But now we're getting rejected off of 192, and 192 has been kind of a resistance for us lately, and we're just trading in with these tighter, within the channel of 172 to 198. We're just trading within this tighter channel, and it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. And what we're wanting to see is some form of price move into the upside in some way. So really what we did for most of the day here in the middle part of the day, we had a decent bit of consolidation on the stock, and we did hold 184 for a while until the end of the day, when we did break down through it and we saw our intraday low of 183.57, which was pretty much at the close. So for most of the day, we held the stock above $184. So that's definitely a step in the right direction after what we had to deal with yesterday. So just keep that in mind, keep small victories so we can just keep moving forward. But as you can see, pretty much the whole entire day, the RSI was definitely not happy. We touched oversold and overbought several times. The MACD is really unhappy with this price movement here of how far it's separated apart and crossing over. We did have that little period of consolidation here that was actually pretty nice. And then this movement was less harsh than obviously this movement here. So on a micro scale, we're looking a little bearish, but personally, I think we're going to get to the macro scale and we're going to see that we're still in bullish territory. So let's jump out here to the 5-day, 5-minute chart and take a look at it. So just to give you guys perspective, this was yesterday and how we sold all the way down to 155.15. And today we're sitting back above pretty much 184 the whole entire day, which is great. So considering that we hit 155 and we sold up $30, and we didn't sell up $30. We bought up $30 and now we're holding it. That's really good. And it shows the faith that people have in the stock, even though that there's a little bit of a dilution coming forward. But when we take a look at the RSI is sitting here at 49. And then when we take a look at the MACD looks a little bit happier than what it did on the 1 minute, but overall it's still a little unhappy. So we did have, towards the end of the day, we did have a bullish indicator of the signal, the MACD crossing over the signal. So that's a great thing to see on the 5-day, 1 minute, and 5-day, 5-minute. Gosh, what is it with me today? I just can't get a grip on it. So, but let's hop out here to the 1 month and let's hop out to the 4 hour. So with the 1 month, 4 hour, personally, this is one of my more favorite charts. You can really see the drop that we had yesterday of how far the RSI plummeted, and now we're sitting back here at 49, which is just below neutral and pretty good for the stock. The only thing that I don't like really here is that we have the MACD crossing over the signal on the 4 hours, so it's technically a bear signal. So to correct myself previously, technically now we are in bearish territory, but I think the next couple of days will be proven, and I think we will be continuing to change the path of it. And I also think that this movement here really did mess us up, and we need to recover from yesterday's debacle that we had of selling everything off and getting down to $155 and then just buying it back up. So it's going to take us some time to really hit the reset button on these indicators and take us out of that bearish territory and put us back in that bullish territory. But really, that's what I got for you guys today. If you can, just do me a favor, drop a like down on the video, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.